So we have here our third example. Find the area, okay, bounded by the curve x is equal to y squared plus 2y and line is equal to x equals 3. So it is specifically indicated na x equals 3 lang, dun lang tayo. Okay, hanggang dun lang tayo. So you will indicate dyan na x is equal to 3. That is your limit, right? Okay? Tapos, we have here our curve. And then, again, you do your x and y table of values para makuha mo yung mukha ng figure mo. And then, after that, you choose what type of strip, vertical ba or horizontal strip pa. So, in this case, we have a horizontal strip. So, kung horizontal strip, that is dx times dy. That's why yung area mo dito na formula is equal to x dy, where your x is x right minus xl. Okay? X right minus x left. Okay? X right minus x left. Okay. So, pagka sketch mo sa figure mo, you can directly identify kung saan ka lang, hanggang saan lang yung curve or yung area. It is specifically indicated na x equals 3. Of course, your xr is already 3. That's your, kasi hanggang dun lang tayo. Tapos, dito naman, yung left natin is yung curve. Ito yung ating XL. So, this one is actually from here. Okay, so, given na yan, x left is y squared plus 2y. So, our limit now is, kasi naka-dy tayo, so our limit should be dito sa y, which is negative 3, ito, up to 1. Okay? Kasi yan yung mga points kung saan nag-intersect, yan, kaya sinedan ko ng red. Yun yung mga points kung saan nag-intersect si x equals 3 at saka yung curve natin. Okay? So, pag gagawa ka ng table of values, of course, hanggang 3 ka lang. Okay, x equals 3. Kasi yun yung sinabi na doon lang bounded yung ating shaded area. Now, right, x right. So, lalagay mo dito, what is x right? Si 3. So, ilagay mo dito si 3 minus x left. So, ilalagay mo dyan. And then, do your integration. This is, diretso na integration. And then, substitute your limits, upper limit minus lower limit. Then, use your calculator. You can get 32/3 square units. So, ganun po yung kung paano natin kunin yung area using integration.